AVEVA Pi is really a tool for managing operational data. Many of you may have seen a slide like this before or experienced this in reality, but the modern manufacturing operation collects data from a really wide range of sources. Companies might have SCADA systems or DCS systems. They might have non-centralized PLC systems. There's databases, there's ERP systems, there's all these different systems and all these different user groups that are trying to access data from lots of different places through lots of different systems. And if you're a company of any size or even really small companies, you might suffer from these types of problems. AVEVA Pi is really built to try to standardize this experience from data collection through data delivery to your end users. AVEVA Pi connects to a whole host of different data sources. It's got a really wide range of opportunities to enrich data and make sure that you're serving that data to your users in a format and in a method that makes the most sense for them and is how they want to visualize the data, right? We talk about, data meeting users where they are rather than users having to go seek out data in all these different places.